Hi everyone, it's Miss Piercy here. I hope you're all safe and well. I just wanted to show you how to use Purple Mash. So I'll send a link with this video so that if you follow that link, all you need to do is log in. But if you Google Purple Mash, it's usually the first one that comes up too. So obviously, in order to log in, you will need your child's username and password, and teachers will be in touch soon with those if you haven't had them already. So once you have logged in, you'll see a screen that's quite similar to what you can see now. And all you need to do is click on this red tile here that says to-dos. And here you will find the activities that your child's teacher has set up for your child. So here you can see that we're learning all about winter in reception. So we've got some activities all to do with winter, a bit about feelings, some maths, and it goes on. Now these activities might be daily, they might be set up for the week, but they will change. So make sure that you come on and have a look and see what's set for that day or for that week. So you can see here that this winter clothes activity is due in 2 days. So the children in reception have got up until Friday to have a go at this activity. And then next week when we move on, we'll have some different activities here. So make sure you keep looking and seeing what's been set for your child. So on here it says preview for me, but you'll be able to click on it and complete the activity. They're really easy to use and really simple, so you should get on just fine with those. And when you've submitted the activity, then your class teacher will be able to see that and they can send you feedback as well. So make sure you click here on this purple one that says alerts, because that's where it will come up if your class teacher is giving you a bit of feedback. You know, they might have said, oh, well done, this is amazing, or they might have said, can you add a little bit more if you thought about adding this in? So make sure you come back and check on the work that you have sent in, see if there's anything that's updated on there. So it is quite simple and easy to use, but if you've got any problems, just get in touch with your class teacher or with myself and we'll do what we can to help you. But hopefully you found it quite simple and quite easy to use. So like I say, get in touch if there's anything that you need a bit more help with. All right, see you later.